Good day, everyone. I am Ini Stephanie Siloloy, and now I am going to discuss my research about motivation and student engagement in PE. In global, the study reveals a concerning issue of low participation in physical education classes among adolescents, with nearly 207 students reporting never participating and girls showing significantly lower engagement than boys. This disparity emphasizes the urgent need to enhance PE participation, especially for girls and older adolescents, while also calling for ongoing monitoring of PE policies and their implementation across the globe. In Asia, the study conducted at Lee Tu Trong College found that while engagement levels in physical education among the first year students were generally at normal level, many students report negative perception regarding their PE experience. This indicates a need for enhanced engagement strategies to improve the quality of PE training and support students' physical and mental development. In Philippines, according to Ricardo A. Obeda's 2019 study in Balicuatro Avenue Maria, Northern Samar, highlights the challenges faced by secondary school students in physical education, stemming from the confusion and poor performance following the transfer of PE responsibility to the Sports Commission in 1992. The research identifies critical teacher and student factors that are necessitate to the development of a more comprehensive and effective PE curriculum in the region. Local, a study conducted 2024 at the University of Mindanao, Matanao, part of Davao City, investigated the sports motivation among 111 students and employs a sample of standard physical education and using survey. This study revealed the correlation between students' motivation factors through producing a significant relationship between participation and accessibility. Through this, it can conclude that student engagement in sports playing fields could enhance their engagement in sports. The research objectives. Number one, what is the extent of motivation in terms of personal drive, commitment, initiative, and optimism? Number two, what is the level of the student engagement in PE terms of intellectual engagement, cognitive engagement, and academic engagement? Number three, is there a significant relationship between motivation and student engagement in PE among grade 11 students in Sagayan National High School? Number four, to determine which domain of motivation significantly affect student engagement. The hypothesis: there is no significant relationship between motivation and student engagement in PE. There is no domain of motivation significantly affect student engagement. The theoretical framework: self-determination theory or SDT by Deci and Ryan 1985-2000 provides a robust framework for understanding student motivation in PE, suggesting that individuals are more likely to be intrinsically motivated when their basic psychological needs for autonomy, competence, and relatedness are met. The situated expectancy value theory by Eccles and Wigfield 2020 further emphasized the importance of creating a learning environment where students perceive value in PE activities, leading to increased engagement and motivation. The conceptual paradigm: motivation is our independent variable, and the indicators are personal drive, commitment, initiative, and optimism. And our dependent variable are student engagement in PE and the And the indicators are intellectual engagement, cognitive engagement, and academic engagement. Our research design. This study will employ a qualitative non-experimental design using a descriptive correlational technique to explore the potential relationship and direction between two identified variables, as supported by Graviter and Walno, 2004. My research location. The research will take place in District of Asuncion, Davao del Norte, which has a population of 59,322 and consists of 20 barangays, encompassing 5 clusters formed by 27 primary and elementary schools. Statistical tools. Mean. This will be used to measure the level of motivation and the level of student engagement in PE. This will be utilized for objectives 1 and 2. Pearson R. There will be used to determine the significant relationship between motivation and student engagement in PE. Hence, this will answer question number 3. Regression analysis. This will be used to determine which domain of motivation significantly influence student engagement in PE. Table 1. Motivation. The independent variable. The first indicator, personal drive, has the mean of 3.57 and the description is high. Second variable is commitment, has a mean of 3.62 it has description high. And the third indicator, the initiative, has the mean of 3.60 and its description is high. The last indicator is optimism and it has a mean of 3.50 and the description is high. The overall mean has a 3.57 and description is high. Table 2. Student engagement in PE. The dependent variable. The first indicator are intellectual engagement has a mean of 3.53 and the description is high. The second indicator is cognitive engagement has a mean of 3.63 and its description is high. The last indicator is academic engagement, has a mean of 3.61 and the description is high. It has the overall mean of 3.59 and the description is high. Summary of findings. Number 1. The level of motivation among grade 11 students in Sagayan National High School have an overall mean of 3.35 with a descriptive equivalent of high. The level of student engagement in PE among grade 11 students in Sagayan National High School have an overall mean of 3.59 with a descriptive equivalent high. Number 2. There is no significant relationship between motivation and student engagement in PE as indicated by a probability value of 1.52 and leading to the acceptance of the null hypothesis. Number 4. In the statistical terms, there is no significant evidence to accept the idea that motivation is impact student engagement in PE, as calculated probability value of 1.42 is less than level of significance of 7.77. Conclusion. The level of motivation is moderately evident. Number 2. The level of student engagement in PE is moderately observed. Number 3. There is no significant relationship between motivation and student engagement in PE. Number 4. Motivation is no significant in predicting the student engagement in PE. And it has some recommendations. The last part of the research. Number 1, motivation is implement motivational programs. Develop and introduce programs or workshops that focus on enhancing intrinsic motivation among students, such as goal setting, self-reflection, and recognizing personal achievements in PE. Number 2, university PE activities. offer a variety of physical activities and sports that cater to different interest and skill levels, allow- allowing students to choose activities they are passionate about, which can lead to increased motivation and engagement. Number three, encourage collaboration, foster a collaborative environment by introducing team based activities or group challenges in class. This can help students to build relationship and increase their motivation through social interaction and support. The number four, provide constructive feedback. Regularly offer constructive feedback to students about their performance and progress in PE. Positive reinforcement can boost students' motivation and encourage them to engage more activity in class. Number five, incorporate technology. Utilize technology such as fitness apps or interactive games to make PE classes more engaging. This can appeal to student interest and encourage them to participate more actively. Number six, facilitate student leadership opportunities. Encourage students to take on leadership roles in PE, such as organizing events or leading warm up exercise. This responsibility can enhance their sense of ownership and motivation toward participations. Number seven, conduct regular assessments. Implement regular assessments or survey to gauge students' motivation and engagement levels. This data can help educators tailor the teaching strategies to better meet the needs of their students. Number eight, the last. Engagement, parent, and community. Involve parents and the community in promoting physical activity and sports. Organizing community events or family fitness days can help create a supportive environment that foster motivation and engagement in PE. And that's all. Thank you and have a good day.